Hey folks, VM Explorer here with your VMware Daily Tip number 33 on August the 24th of 2020. Folks, this tip is all about VMware Lightning Labs. Well, it kind of is. It's a little bit more about VMworld and getting ready and prepared to go. Prepared to go? You actually prepare before you go to VMworld? Absolutely. It's one of the best things I used to do as a customer before I would go to VMworld is actually be prepared. Right? So what I would do is I'd actually go into hands-on labs or into these Lightning labs and get up to speed on a lot of the terms. They're a great resource for you and they're completely free. For example, vSphere 7 with Kubernetes. Maybe you're not up to speed on everything that's going on with vSphere 7 with Kubernetes. Take a quick 30-minute lab. You'll get up to speed on a lot of the terminology, understand some of the functionality, and when you go there, you're a little more educated and you start asking questions. Maybe you don't understand Tanzu or AWS and how we interlink with them. A lot of goodness here. This is the landing page for the Lightning Labs that I recommend you take a look at, and if you would go through most of these labs before you got to VMworld, you'd really be able to communicate better with others, ask intelligent questions, and be really up to speed and ready to go. So I definitely recommend checking these out. It's as simple as coming in here, clicking on Start Lab. This page will appear, and then once you've signed up for the free account, which you can see I already have, the lab will launch. The lab looks like this. So now I'm in the hands-on labs, and here I can go through this vSphere 7 lab, and I can learn more about this particular lab and its terminology. Now, one other thing you might want to check out is if you simply go to labs.hol.vmware.com, you can see underneath Lightning Labs there are a pile of them here, and you're welcome to go through these ones as well and check out different technologies, different things that are available to you. Definitely will help you get up to speed before you get to the event. So folks, that's the VMware Daily Tip for the day. Be prepared to get to VMworld. Use those Lightning Labs as a tool. All the links you see here today are in the description below. Please leave your comments and do hit subscribe. Thank you.